Now I'm going to show you how to order a transcript from TEMI.com. I'm not sure if it's Temi or Temi, honestly. This is new. It's from the makers of Rev.com that do manual transcriptions for $1 a minute. This one instead does them for 10 cents a minute. Not perfect, but neither was the human. So I'm going to show you how we do this. So we're going to go over here and we're going to take a video. And let's just go ahead and take my one here that is 7 minutes and 28 seconds long. You can either upload a video to Temi or you can use a URL. So I'm going to go to share and I'm going to grab the URL. And then I'm going to go back here to TEMI.com. I'm going to place a new order, paste URLs, and I'm going to click add. Now, as you can see, this is an 8-minute video and it's 80 cents instead of $8, which if they can get it close, I'm all about. And I'm going to go ahead and place the order. All right, now in a couple minutes, we're going to get notification that our order is ready. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my other orders so that we can just look at how this works. So let's go ahead and take this one, how to integrate with lead pages. It's only 1 minute and 42 seconds long. Yeah, long. And let's go to view transcript. Okay. Now, let me just tell you something. Oh, I wish they would let me close that. Okay. If I allowed YouTube just to translate this, hey Sabrina, this is lead trainer for Ballen Brands, usually comes out, this is Sabrina Lee for Ballen Balms and all kinds of weird things. Now, I'm just scanning this with my eyeballs, and I can tell you that this is pretty close. Now, here's where they get it wrong. Look down here. It says, if you have any questions, you can reach us at team at. Well, this one should have been reach us at the spelling AT, and then this AT should have been the at sign. So they're not going to necessarily know that stuff, okay? So what you're going to have to do is go over the transcript and make some changes. Now, if you're one of my writers and you are watching this as a training, you're going to take this transcript and you're going to turn it into a step-by-step blog post. If it's an interview, you're going to clean it all up. So I've got an example. I've got one on here for 30 minutes where I just interviewed Lori Starks on the divorce niche for real estate. And actually, let's take a look at it. I think that was on here. That'll be a great example. Hold on. We go to the dashboard. In fact, I haven't looked at it yet, so I want to see how it looks. Okay, 35 minutes. Let's view the transcript. All right, hold on. Let me just scan. My name is spelled right. Hey, yeah, that's rare. Inman is spelled right. How about Laurel Starks? Is that spelled right? Whoops. I was trying to do a control find here. Okay. Have to use their tool to do that. Yeah, Laurel spelled right. Okay, this is amazing. This is absolutely incredible. And look at this. It does the timestamp for you. Okay. So what I might want to do, though, is I might want to put this in. You can edit in here. I have not played with all the edits. So, like, for example, I need to do a find and replace. See where it says speaker 1? I want to replace that and have that say Laurel Starks or Laurel. And then speaker 2 would say Lori, my name, so that they can see that back and forth. Now, if you're one of my writers, you're going to go in here. You're going to clean this up. You're going to put spaces in between second and third sentence. As I always instruct, so that there's spacing here. For example, here's a couple sentences, so we're going to space that down. Anywhere it looks really chunky, we're going to space that down. You're also going to put this on the blog, and you're going to add quotes, and you're going to add my notes, you know, the highlights, and you're going to break this up into topics. So you're going to do a lot more besides just put the transcript on the page. And if you're learning with me with my Rank Like a Boss course, you're going to want to make sure you're following those same practices, okay? And so I would not probably edit in here. Personally, I would take this out of here, put it straight in the blog, and start editing from there. Or take it out of here and put it in your Word doc that you're going to edit it in, and then put it in there. However it's best done. Find and replace, to replace all speakers or speaker two would be probably done better in a Word document. And then just transferred over to the text file onto the blog post, not the front end WYSIWYG editor, not the what you see is what you get side, but you click on the text side, paste your document in there, and then click back over to the what you see is what you get editor, and then you should have all your spaces and everything will be really clean and you won't have any funky code in there. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Now, all I would want to do now to go back into YouTube to add this as a transcript, I would just download this, and then I would go over to YouTube and I would upload that transcript as a file. Okay, so I'm going to do it once I clean it up, though. I'm not going to do it now. So that is how you order your transcript from the TEMI.com platform.